Every 3 seconds, one more victim will pass wind, and no one will hear it. There are over 37,000 sufferers of posterior muteness in Cardiff alone. This awful disability brings such anguish and frustration to so many families across Britain. You can help stop this terrible affliction by giving just £2 a month, or whatever you can afford. Your £2 will fund enough baked beans to vocalise one child's flatulence for up to 8 days. Just think of the difference you could make to that child. They can chase away the opposite sex, become a social outcast and fuel many public embarrassments for years to come. Shouldn't every child have this opportunity? When you donate, you will receive a gift certificate, a framed photograph and a recently recorded audio clip of one of the children this charity has been able to support, showing their appreciation for your generosity. The British Farts Foundation, giving every bottom a voice.